Okay, let's continue prepping this. So I'm going to do a test with this. So I'm going to just try to thicken this up. All right, I'm just going to do one. And see if it passes before I do all that work again. There we go. All right. And if that doesn't work, then we'll might have to do something else. And then this thing, I think I know why this isn't working, so I'm going to thin it again. So okay, and then edit, duplicate, and then we're going to move it. There we go. So I don't think there was anything between there, and that's what the issue was having. So, and then I'm going to shrink this down on the main sides. And okay. All right. And then this piece. So I think we need it. I think it's picking up that there's space between here and there. So I think we need to make the diameter. It's 5.5. Let's do 5.8. And the bottom 3.3. And let's just move it down just a little bit. Okay, that's not what we wanted. And let's move it out a little bit. So let's use our work plane tool. And let's select it. And I'm going to stretch it out a little bit. There we go. Maybe a little more. Just a little more. And then I'm going to push it back. No, I'm going to do that and leave it that way. See how that works. Okay. And this is still an issue. So let's move our work plane tool onto this. And let's make this a lot thicker. And then let's just push it in. There we go. I dare even do it more so it actually connects with this piece behind there. Okay. And let's look back at our reference. Oops. So let's go back and just make sure we're getting all the spots. All right, this, we took care of that. That still needs some thickening. That needs some thickening. Okay. So go back and move our work plane tool down. I'm going to move these right down so it touches. There we go. I think that's touching. Let's just make sure. Let's do it again. And let's do the same with this. I want it touching. Remember, this is all about getting this to print in 3D. Okay, and let's make this a little thicker. All right. Okay. And it's, a lot of this stuff isn't very noticeable, so hopefully this will work. Let's go back again. And so we got that, we got that. All right, let's send it over. I know the struts aren't right, but I want to do a test, so let's just see how that works. So design, order 3D print, shapeways, print 3D color. Continue printing. Okay, so let's still having issues, and we're expecting that. I just want to see if that enlarged strut still was a problem. And let's see. Okay, this is, wow, this is looking really good. That's fixed, that's fixed. All right, so that enlarged strut fixed it. And so that's good. That's really good. Most of those are fixed. This stuff is yeah, this is pretty simple to fix. Yeah, it really doesn't like those wires. Okay. we will, that's fixed, that's great. Okay. That's fixed, good. So it appears to be that, the struts, that as well. And that seems to, doesn't like that either. Okay. Let's go back. We'll fix that, so. All right. So let's delete that and edit, duplicate, slide that over. Move that over just a little bit. Okay, that feels better. And let's duplicate this, edit, duplicate, and let's slide that over. Delete. There we go. And we'll delete this one. And edit, duplicate, left arrow, key, delete that, delete that, delete that. Oh, and I lost the other one. That was silly. All right, just move it over first. Okay, now delete, delete, delete. Okay, so that's fixed. Had issues with that, so let's see if we just thicken it that way, see if that works. Yeah, let's pull it down, so hopefully that'll work. And these wires, shift select, I'm going to make them super fat. There we go. I might have to cut them somehow. Let's see if we can. Yeah, I think we have to cut them. Well, actually, we can just squash them. So you can take this and move it up. And let's see, they're not coming through. And they are. All right. And again, we can squash them. Select and just slide these in like that. And that Almost. Just do it from this side, and then use the arrow key to pull it out a little bit, and let's slide it over a little bit. There we go. Okay, and then it didn't like this, felt it was too thin here, so that's a pretty easy fix. We're going to use the plane tool. Okay, put it on that flat part, and then we're just gonna stretch this out, and this on either side, and you can see that's making it thicker, and we can stretch it a little here to try to get that circular shape again. Okay, maybe a little more over. Okay, so hopefully that'll work. And let's go back and look. Oh yeah, the claws, doesn't like those. So let's thicken those a little more. I'll put the work plane back. And let's raise that up. Use the arrow. Probably not liking that space. Maybe if we just move it down. Do the same with this. And then kind of pull it up. And let's just thicken it even more. Just really overdo it. And the same with this one. All right. And let's see, was there which other part did it not like? Got the wires. Got that. Let's see. It's not liking. Let's see if it goes to that. So that one, that one, that one. Wires. Fix that. And not sure what it's going to in there. Oh, I see. It's weird, it doesn't like that. Okay. I think that's an example of the tools not working properly, but okay. Anyway, let's go back. All right. And send this over. So design, duplicate. Oh. Okay. Real quick, I want to pull this out just a teeny bit. Use the work plane tool. There we go. All is right. Okay, let's send this over. So design, order 3D print, Shapeways, 3D print color. Continue. Okay, came over well. Now let's wait for the auto checks. Okay, and we'll check this how this came out in the next video. Thanks for watching, and if you like what you see and you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe.